G'day there folks, welcome back out here. I hope you enjoyed the little footage of the flowers popping everywhere and the green, fresh green. It's beautiful everywhere now. So I'm definitely enjoying it. I was a little bit sick, so I was hoping to do more videos actually, but I got sick. The bug we've been hearing less and less about, fortunately. And well, it got me in 2023. How about that? The heron's giving us some peace now. A bunch of nesting herons there. I've tried to make some videos of it, but it's just a phone after all. Yeah, so I'm not 100% yet, and I lost a lot of muscle, not muscle weight, not really weight. I don't have weight really. But yeah, I lost a lot of muscle, I definitely can tell. I packed a bag, not this one. So not that one, but a little bigger one. And when I lifted it, normally I can lift it, but I really felt this one. I was like, oh fuck, if I have to walk with this one, I'm probably not gonna like it. But it's good to have it was a evac bag or a bug out bag, however they call it these days. But it turned out pretty heavy. I also have a video for smaller people or kids or whatever, small bug out bag with just some essentials in it. It is updated. I bought some of these Energy 5 bars, these bars that like emergency rations, because I have food, but you know, it's just good to have that small pack of food when you have, and it lasts forever. So you know, it's just a good investment, guys. Yes. Anyway, it's enough talking for me today, I think. I don't really talk a lot in videos. Unless it's meant to be that way, of course, but yeah. I'll just show you nature here, and I'm having a nice walk. I'm gonna show you the contents of my pack later. Yeah, let's go. Thanks for tuning in. Righty, let's go. Bag contents for today. First I'm gonna show you this bag itself. It's the Highlander STOIRM or something. Pretty decent bag. some nice padding on the back here. Good straps, which you can with these nice little bands on it, so you can keep everything tight. Mesh pockets on the side. It's too low. Utility pocket at the front. Sunglass case, very important for me. And it's this clamshell, so the zippers go all around. Let me show you the pack. Right, so what did I bring today? First, this is not a grenade. It's just there's MOLLE on the front. I kind of forgot to say that. So there's MOLLE here on the front, and in it I just carry an extra bag. So convenient. Sometimes you want to do shopping, grocery, get some extra food or something. So alright, so what's in the pack itself? I won't make this too long. I'm just gonna show you for today what I bring. Here's my knee pad, very convenient. So here's my sweater. I got some bacon here with bread, the baked bacon, wind jacket, and just a water bottle. Got the poncho, different one. I have the old DPM ones too, but this is a newer one. Kind of like the print. And then here is a bag with some warmer clothing in case I miss my ride. You never know. And then here is stuff to. Sorry about the sniveling, by the way. I just explained I had the bug. So in there is just cordage and some tent pegs and a bunch of these guys from DD Hammocks. This bag is kind of from DD Hammocks, everything in it. Just wire, tent pegs. So BV bag, extra dry bag. And then here, this is a pack with clothes. Yeah, I've already said that. So yeah, it's a pretty nice space. This is just something that I found today. And in here we have my bird bookie, my wallet, just all that stuff. Smokes, devil's lettuce. Got my snacks here. Yeah, really nice pack. I love how it works. Let's just flip it. And then on the front here, I already said that we have this utility pouch with enough space. I got my saw in here. Knife, extra knife apparently. pocket torch, and another emergency blanket bivvy thingy. Yeah, that's it for today. Just make you one panorama shot here. I hope the focus was okay on that. I don't know why I didn't use the tripod. I did use it today a few times, but for this it's just easier to have it in hand or something. Or maybe I should set a frame next time and then put everything in there. Alright. Very nice area. I might get some more shots in from nature, but this was me for today. So, take care. See you next time. You should smell this. It smells great. It's all mint.